Every can begins with the raw ingredients harvested from the earth. Natural sugars and plant compounds are gathered before the factory process begins. These raw materials begin their journey toward large-scale production. Pure water is carefully extracted to form the base of the drink. Key functional ingredients are refined under strict industrial control. Essential vitamins are measured with precision for consistent formulation. All components are gathered before entering the production chain. The ingredients are secured for delivery to the manufacturing facility. Everything now moves toward the factory floor. Here, the transformation into the final energy drink begins. The transport stage delivers every ingredient to the factory gate. Each shipment arrives sealed and ready for controlled unloading. Every pallet moves through an organized intake system. Digital tracking ensures complete ingredient traceability. Automated transport lines carry materials toward the processing floor. Vertical transport systems move ingredients through the factory levels. Now approach the preparation stage. Bulk storage systems organize ingredients before mixing. Controlled flow systems deliver ingredients to the production line. Next, the formula that defines the drink begins to take shape. Inside these walls, precision manufacturing transforms raw ingredients into a global energy drink. Every movement inside the facility follows a carefully organized path. Beyond this point, the production line takes control. Each ingredient enters the system through controlled intake points. The drink's foundation begins with carefully purified water. Natural sugars are carefully transported to the blending system. Functional compounds are introduced with exact dosing precision. Vital nutrients are blended to maintain the drink's signature formulation. Now the formula starts to combine inside industrial blending systems. The signature energy drink mixture begins to take its final form. The blended formula moves forward for purification and stabilization. Temperature control protects flavor and ingredient stability. Carbon dioxide will soon give the drink its signature fizz. The mixture becomes a sparkling energy drink. Sensors confirm the precise level of carbonation. The drink is held briefly before packaging begins. Packaging systems prepare to fill thousands of cans every minute. Every container is cleaned before receiving the drink. Clean containers move toward the high-speed filling line. Precision equipment prepares to dispense the drink. Each can receives an exact measured volume. The beverage settles before sealing. Sealing components align for the next step. Locks the drink inside. Inspection systems verify every seal. A quick rinse keeps the packaging spotless. Air systems prepare the cans for labeling. Next comes the iconic look recognized around the world. Branding transforms a simple container into a recognizable product. High-speed machines apply the signature design. Automated vision systems verify flawless branding. Every can receives traceable production information. The line organizes thousands of cans every minute. Individual cans combine into retail packs. Protective packaging secures the product for transport. Heat sealing locks the packs firmly together. From here, automation prepares the product for shipment. Automation now takes control of the final handling process. Each pallet is built with perfect stacking precision. A full pallet is assembled in seconds. Protective wrapping secures the load for transport. Every pallet receives its digital shipping identity. Heavy equipment moves the pallets into the storage system. The warehouse fills with ready-to-ship inventory. Next, the product moves toward final inspection and shipment. Before leaving the factory, every shipment passes through final checks. Automated systems confirm shipment accuracy. Pallet ID checks out.
Matching batch, clear to proceed.
Route confirmed for dock. Logistics teams coordinate the final distribution process. The finished product approaches the shipping docks.
Steady on the left. Align it center. Secure it there.
The shipment is ready to leave the factory. Distribution networks carry the product across regions and countries. What began as raw ingredients has become a finished global product. And this is how modern factories produce Red Bull energy drink from start to finish.